Right down the middle. Wind's coming right down, coming this way. Airspeed alive, 65, 70, 80.
Ooh,
Tap the brakes.
Climb. You're up.
Just speed 470 is ILS 16 right.
Jet speed 470, center runway 16 right, clear land number 2.
Number 2, clear land 16 right, jet speed 470.
That's a lot of heat coming out.
Yeah, there is.
Can we turn it down? Are you okay?
I think I'm good. Okay, so are we over that thing yet?
No, it's a lake over here.
Yeah, we can turn down now.
What do you want?
That's good.
84. All right, now we are
0.3 miles. 0.2.
Just
Bonanza 1 Delta Kilo, contact SoCal departure.
Contact SoCal 1 Delta Kilo. Okay, we should be turning now.
okay. SoCal.
SoCal departure, good afternoon, Bonanza, November 71 Delta Kilo, climbing through 2,200.
Number 71 Delta Kilo, SoCal departure to contact climb, maintain 6,000, expedite your climb if able.
6,000 expedite, 1 Delta Kilo. I think we pretty much got what we're doing.
Yeah. Don't go too much more. We don't want to get up in that.
Approach hello Alaska 308, climbing via passing 4,800, maintain 15,000.
Alaska 308, SoCal approach, roger, Burbank altimeter 3004.
3004, Alaska 308.
Flaps.
Oh yeah, thank you. That'll help.
Let off this a little bit. Temperatures are good.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'm just going to let it flex down.
Let it flex around.
That's just so the pressure's not there. We don't have any icing, so we're good.
Okay, so now we're waiting for radar vectors to hear. We're at -2.
Number 350, turn right, heading up 130, vectors for traffic.
And that thing's really warm now.
I got
Number 35, Victor, right turn heading 130.
130, 35 Victor. 150, 35 Victor.
35 Victor, 130, right turn heading 130.
130, 35 Victor.
1 Delta Kilo, climb, maintain 1000.
1,000, 1 Delta Kilo.
Alaska 30, just climb via, accept maintain 15,000, cross guardy at 8. Directions trap at 8, trap at 8.
Okay, trap, climb via, except maintain 15,000, trap at 8 for Alaska 308.
30, you can just maintain that altitude, just make sure you just climb via, please.
Okay, we're climbing via Alaska 308.
For 1 Delta Kilo, left turn heading of 020.
Left 020, 1 Delta Kilo.
SoCal departure, American 382. 4.3, climbing via the Guardy Forks at maintain 15,000.
American 382, SoCal approach, roger, Burbank altimeter 3004. American 308, contact LA Center 125.27. Alaska 308, LA Center 125.27.
2527 Alaska 308, won't see it, thanks.
SoCal, 4 Kilo Romeo, November 4 Kilo Romeo, 6,000.
4 Kilo Romeo, SoCal approach, altimeter 3004.
3004, 4 Kilo Romeo.
1 Delta Kilo fighting of 050.
050, 1 Delta Kilo.
Kilo Romeo, you can expect 10,000 as a final overleg use for the NBAs.
Roger, 4 Kilo Romeo.
Yeah, 050.
-1.
One Delta Kilo, left turn heading of 340.
Left turn 340, 1 Delta Kilo.
435 Victor, left turn heading of 080 to join Victor 186.
080 to join 186. 35 Victor.
Give me that shade. Or a shade.
A shade.
I just need to put a shade on here.
American 382, contact LA Center 125.27.
2527, American 382.
Yep, that's getting bright. Getting bright and hot.
Yep, lost something. I think you lost your suction cup. Down that way.
One Delta Kilo, right turn direct, Palmdale, resuming navigation, climb maintain 1000.
Right turn to Palmdale, 1 Delta Kilo, 1000, 1 Delta Kilo.
On 1000. How come I don't have any here?
What, Palmdale?
DMD.
Papa Mike Delta.
Southwest 1866 on the ground.
Quite a thick cloud.
There's 4 Kilo Romeo, turn right heading 300 and climb and maintain 10,000.
Right turn 300, climb and maintain 10,000. 4 Kilo Romeo.
Departure Southwest 2357 with you at a 2.6 for 4,000. Bases are at about 2,500.
Southwest 2357, SoCal departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 14,000.
14,000 Southwest 2357.
On.
Oh yeah, huh?
Southwest 2357, turn right to heading 350.
350 Southwest 2357.
Ain't finding no holes in this shit.
Yep, here's the hole.
Bonanza 1 Delta Kilo, contact Joshua approach 124.55.
2455, you're the rest of the day, 1 Delta Kilo.
Bye-bye.
Joshua.
Yeah.
Dodge approach, good afternoon, Bonanza, November 7, 1 Delta Kilo, 9,400 for 11,11,000.
Delta Kilo, Joshua approach, calm down, altimeter 3000.
000, we just broke out at 93.
For 1 Delta Kilo, roger.
Just for us.
Roger.
Give me a clearance, Clarence.
Clear.
Roger, Roger.